Juliet Holness political leadership career, lifestyle, family, and net worth. Political career. Juliet Holness, born Juliet Landell in 1971 in St. Catherine, Jamaica, is a prominent politician, businesswoman, and philanthropist. She is the wife of Andrew Holness, the Prime Minister of Jamaica, and an influential member of the Jamaica Labour Party, JLP. Juliet has made her mark in Jamaican politics, currently serving as the Member of Parliament, MP for East Rural St. Andrew. She first won her parliamentary seat in the 2016 general elections and successfully retained it in the 2020 elections. Before entering politics, Juliet Holness had a successful career in the private sector as a chartered accountant and real estate developer. Her background in finance and business has given her a strong foundation in policymaking, particularly in areas related to economic development, education, and community building. As an MP, she focuses on key issues such as women's empowerment, youth development, and education, advocating for policies that uplift her constituents and the broader Jamaican society. Juliet is known for her hands-on approach to leadership, frequently engaging with her constituents to understand their needs and concerns. She often organizes community meetings, outreach programs, and development initiatives, aiming to create sustainable growth and opportunity in her constituency. Her dynamic leadership style and passion for public service have earned her respect across the political spectrum. Family and personal life. Juliet Holness is married to Andrew Holness, the Prime Minister of Jamaica, and together they have two sons, Adam and Matthew. The Holness family is known for their close bond, often seen attending public events together and supporting each other's endeavors. Juliet balances her role as a public servant with her responsibilities as a wife and mother, striving to create a stable and nurturing environment for her family despite the demands of political life. Despite her husband's high-profile position, Juliet maintains her own identity as a strong and independent leader. She is passionate about her work, often sharing insights from her personal and professional life to inspire others, particularly women and young people, to get involved in leadership and civic duties. Philanthropy and advocacy. Juliet Holness is deeply committed to philanthropy and community service. She has been actively involved in various charitable organizations and initiatives aimed at improving the lives of Jamaicans, particularly in education and health. As a former educator herself, Juliet is a staunch advocate for educational reform and development. She supports numerous programs that provide scholarships, mentorship, and resources for underprivileged children and young adults across Jamaica. Her philanthropic efforts extend to promoting health and wellness. She regularly participates in charity events, such as 5K runs and health fairs, and promotes healthy living through her advocacy work. Juliet is also a vocal supporter of initiatives aimed at empowering women and combating gender-based violence, often using her platform to raise awareness and advocate for change. Lifestyle and personal interests. Juliet Holness is known for her disciplined lifestyle, reflecting a blend of professionalism, dedication, and humility. She maintains a balance between her political career, family life, and personal interests. Juliet is passionate about fitness and often participates in local sports events, encouraging Jamaicans to adopt healthier lifestyles. She is also an avid reader, and her speeches often reflect a deep understanding of history, economics, and global affairs. Juliet enjoys spending time with her family and often shares her experiences on social media to connect with the Jamaican people and share her journey as both a leader and a mother. Net worth. As of 2024, Juliet Holness' net worth is estimated to be around $2 million. Her wealth comes from her career in politics, as well as her previous roles in finance and real estate development. Alongside her husband, Andrew Holness, she has made smart investments, particularly in real estate, which has contributed to their overall financial stability. Despite her success, Juliet maintains a modest lifestyle, focusing on her commitment to public service and community development. Her financial decisions reflect a practical and strategic approach, ensuring she can continue to support her philanthropic endeavors and maintain her family's well-being. Conclusion. Juliet Holness is a dynamic and influential figure in Jamaican politics, known for her dedication to public service, advocacy for education and women's empowerment, and commitment to her family. Her leadership style is marked by a hands-on, compassionate approach, reflecting her deep connection to her constituents and her desire to create positive change. As a successful politician, businesswoman, and philanthropist, Juliet Holness continues to be a role model for many, showing that strength, intelligence, and compassion are vital in leadership.